Meaning of drug.
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 Drug. A drug is a substance that, when introduced into the body, can change how the body functions. Drugs can be used for medicinal, recreational, or even spiritual purposes. They can also be addictive and have harmful side effects. The effects of drugs vary widely depending on the specific drug and the amount taken, but they can include altered perception, mood changes, increased energy or relaxation, pain relief, and even death. Some drugs are legal and regulated, while others are illegal and highly dangerous. It is important to use all drugs responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional.